How to change background in your InShot. Now, in order to change the background of your edit in InShot, you just simply need to open the edit that you are performing. If you don't have one, you can create by tapping into this new one. Just simply import your image or video in here, and after removing the background, or if you just simply want to add some border of background, you can also do that. But most of the cases, you need to change the background when there is some PNG image and stuff like that. Whenever you have that, just simply select the clip, and after that you will get to see this option into the toolbar, which is called background. Just simply select the background option, and you can use blur, color, gradient, aesthetics and patterns, also textures from here. Just simply select what type of background that you want in here, and after that the background will be changed accordingly. You can also select the other images and pictures from your gallery to make a background. Now, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.